Music. Welcome to my review of Brighthouse Financial's retirement tool. Find the link in the description below. This powerful tool helps you build a clear, personalized path to financial security. Perfect for a straightforward yet comprehensive approach, it offers robust features for diverse situations and goals. Its user-friendly interface simplifies retirement readiness assessment. Input your income, savings, retirement age, and expected expenses for a customized analysis. See if your current strategy aligns with your goals. A standout feature is annuity integration. Brighthouse Financial specializes in annuities, and this tool shows how they can provide steady, guaranteed retirement income. Test different scenarios by adjusting investment risk, contributions, and retirement age. Explore various outcomes and make informed decisions based on your priorities. The platform accounts for inflation, taxes, and healthcare costs, ensuring realistic projections. Need guidance? Brighthouse Financial offers educational materials and access to financial professionals. It's ideal for those wanting digital tools and expert support. This tool is best for those considering annuities or seeking a stable income plan. Its simplicity, detailed projections, and professional assistance make it a solid choice for long-term planning. Check the description to explore the tool and see how it fits your retirement journey.